And that's exactly why you're losing money every single month.
Wait, I'm losing money just because of my English?
99% of people don't know this, but bankers use specific words that can cost you if you don't understand them.
I just want to open an account. Is it really that complicated?
Today, you're going to master banker English so you look like a pro and save your cash.
Okay, I'm ready. Where do we start?
Stop saying, "I want to put money in your bank." It sounds like a robbery.
Oh no. What should I say instead?
Say, "I'd like to open a checking account."
Checking account? Does that mean they check my money?
No. A checking account is for your daily spending and paying bills.
And if I want to save money for a vacation?
Then you ask for a savings account. It usually earns a little interest.
Got it. Checking for bills, savings for the future.
Perfect. Now, the banker will ask about your initial deposit.
Does that mean the first time I put money in?
Exactly. You need to know your minimum balance requirement too.
What happens if I go below that minimum?
They hit you with a monthly maintenance fee. It's basically a penalty.
That's terrible. How do I avoid that fee?
Ask this, are there any ways to waive the monthly fee?
Waive the fee. That means to make it go away, right?
Spot on. Usually, if you set up direct deposit, they'll waive it.
Direct deposit, that's when my boss sends my paycheck straight to the bank.
You're a natural. Now for the most valuable tip, ask about overdraft protection.
Overdraft, sounds like a storm.
It's a financial storm. It's when you spend more money than you actually have in your account.
Yikes. So the protection stops the bank from charging me extra?
Exactly. It links your savings to your checking to cover the cost.
That's a lifesaver. I would have never known to ask for that.
Now, let's put it all together. I'm the banker, you're the customer.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Certainly. We have a standard account with a $10 monthly fee.
Are there any requirements to waive that monthly fee?
Yes, if you set up a direct deposit of $500 or more.
That works for me. Can I also set up overdraft protection?
Absolutely. I'll just need your identification and an initial deposit.
Here is my passport and $100 for the deposit.
Perfect. You're all set. You'll receive your debit card in the mail.
That was so much easier than I thought.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me, waive the fee.
Go ahead, say it out loud. It helps with your pronunciation.
And comment below, have you ever paid a bank fee by mistake?
So, we learned checking accounts, waiving fees, and overdraft protection.
You're ready to conquer the bank. Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.